Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson. My name is Hugo and today we are going to learn about one of the most useful features in CSS, pseudo-class. Pseudo-class allows us to style elements based on the state, position, or user interaction without needing extra classes or IDs. Let's dive in. What is a pseudo-class? A pseudo-class is a keyword that starts with a column and is added to a selector to style elements based on a specific condition. For example, we can style a button when the user hover over it, or we can apply style to the first child of an element without modifying is in the HTML. Okay, in the first example, I'm used my div element inside my button element in HTML. In CSS, I made a type selector in all divs when with the margin and display properties. Okay, my first example of the I made a button, column, and hover. Okay, open keys. I need a background color, light blue. I'm safe, and this changes the button's background only when I hovers over it. Okay, when I hover, apply light blue color. Pseudo-class help us create interactive designs without JavaScript. Okay, let's go over some of the most common and useful pseudo-class. The first pseudo-class is a column hover. Column hover styles an element when the user hovers over it. And the second example, I apply a element, anchor element, and column hover. I'm open keys. I'm at property color red, and text decoration underline. Okay, and when I save, this changes the color and underlines the text when I hover over the link, Google link. Okay, add the red color and underline. Okay, perfect for interactive buttons, links, and menus. Okay, the second pseudo class is the column focus. Style an element when it is focused. The column focus pseudo class applies styles when an element is focused, like when a user clicks inside an input field. I made an example. When input element column focus, I'm open keys and I'm apply border property when value with the value 2 pixels, solid blue. Outline property none. Okay, when I save, the highlights the input field when I clicks inside it. Okay, great for improving form accessibility. The tree pseudo class is a column first child and selects the first child of a parent. The first child pseudo class applies style on to the first element inside a parent container. Go to example. In my HTML, I made a div inside. For example, I add inside the div two p elements. Okay, with the pseudo class, I made p element column first child open case first child open case, and I inside font size font size font weight bold. When I apply, this make only the first paragraph bold, useful for styling structured content like lists, paragraphs, and tables. A next pseudo class is a last child column last child. Selects the last child of a parent. The pseudo class applies styles only to the last elements inside a parent container. In my example, in HTML, I add a div. Inside the div, my UL and options. In CSS, I add a pseudo class in here tag column. Tier is that other pseudo class. I made a li class element with column less child. I'm open case. I made a color blue. When I save, this make only list item blue. Great for styling the last item in list tables or sections. Okay. The next pseudo class is a column and child select pseudo class. Selects an element based on its position. The nth child pseudo class an element based on its order inside a parent container. In my example, HTML, I create the table with tier and td elements. Okay, I'm add pseudo class in tier element. I'm column and nth child. For example, I'm open keys and I made a background color in light gray. Okay, when I save, this applies a background color to every odd numbered row in a table. Perfect for altering row colors in tables. Okay, great job. Today we learned how to use pseudo class in CSS. Column hover, column focus, column first child and last child, and column end child. Okay, now it is your turn. Try using pseudo-class in your own CSS projects and experiment with different effects. If you have any question, leave a comment. See you next time.